Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how our cloud backup services are a secure, reliable, and cost-effective way to protect your corporate data. Our solution consists of two major components: the client software, which is installed in your office and backs up your company's data, and the server software, which resides where the data is stored. We can protect everything from laptops and smartphones to remote offices to entire data centers. And our backup service can be run in different cloud configurations. Because the data can be restored anywhere, it's easier to ensure faster recoveries. Our cloud backup service is powered by Asigra's award-winning software, which protects more than 550,000 sites worldwide. This video demonstrates the benefits of using cloud backup managed services to protect your corporate data, the lifeblood of your business. Unlike other cloud backup and recovery systems, our solution doesn't require you to install software agents on every PC or server you're protecting. Instead, you can install our software on just one machine and back up your entire network from it. This makes deployment fast, easy, and non-invasive, and because agents are often a target for hackers, our agentless technology will help keep your network more secure. Not all data is created equal. Data that's young, like your recent financial records, normally needs to be recovered very quickly in the event of a disaster that results in data loss. Conversely, older data, like old marketing, HR, or long-term compliance records, is typically better suited to a less stringent recovery time. You might want to pay different prices based on how valuable the data is, and to control when the data is moved onto lower tiers as its value declines over time. Luckily, we can help, and our cloud backup experts will work with you to define data tiering policies and service levels that best fit your needs. The software that powers our cloud backup and recovery service is the first ever to receive third-party validation from the National Institute of Standards and Technology, an industry standards body, making it easier for you to comply with industry regulations. Your data will be protected with 256-bit AES encryption in flight and at rest. After any data is backed up, our service validates that it can be successfully recovered in its native format, ensuring that you can quickly resume business operations and avoid unnecessary downtime. Not all clouds are secure, but ours is, so you can have peace of mind. If your staff uses remote laptops in the field, you can mass deploy our cloud backup and recovery service to protect their data. Users can manage their own backups and recoveries using a simple interface, or you can automate it for them and control how their data is protected. Backups can take place automatically whenever users go online. The solution is easy to use, requires as little bandwidth as possible, can be centrally managed, and works on both Windows and Macs. If your staff are using their tablets and smartphones for work, it's important to back up critical corporate data residing on these devices. Our cloud backup and recovery service can protect Apple iOS and Android-powered devices, and we can help you develop comprehensive data protection policies that cover endpoint devices, along with the rest of your systems from data centers to tablets. Now you can back up your virtualized environments in the most efficient way possible. Many managed backup service providers require a software agent to be installed on every VM in your virtualized environment, and this can add a tremendous amount of overhead. Luckily, our cloud backup service powered by Asigra is agentless, and it takes quick snapshots of the data using the latest VMware and Microsoft APIs. This ensures that backups of your virtualized environment are as fast and efficient as possible. We support major virtualization platforms, including VMware, Hyper-V, and Citrix Zen. You've seen how our system can protect all the data in your enterprise. But what if you have data that resides in cloud-based services or platforms that are controlled by other companies? Don't let your corporate data be held hostage by your software as a service or platform as a service providers. With our services, you can easily extend our backup and recovery services to include external services and platforms like IBM Smart Cloud, Salesforce.com, Google Apps, Office 365, and Microsoft Dynamics with the frequency and granularity that you choose. For example, if you use Salesforce.com, you might decide to back up your lead queue on a weekly basis and your opportunities list every 24 hours. If data is lost, it can be restored securely in minutes, directly into the same platform that you backed it up from. Our support for external cloud-based applications and platforms can help ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and helps facilitate fast recoveries. Organizations are dealing with richer, larger, and more diverse data than ever before, and it's becoming harder to protect this data within short backup windows. For this reason, we provide snapshot-based data protection features, where you can take a quick snapshot of all the data on your storage hardware in a much faster way than with conventional backup methodologies. You can then catalog, schedule, and manage snapshots using our built-in Snapshot Manager. Because snapshots are part of our platform, you can employ a single data protection strategy that incorporates both traditional and snapshot-based data protection methodologies, and you can manage everything from one single platform. Our backup service provides fully integrated data protection capabilities for virtual machines and has additional features that let organizations recover quickly in the event of a server failure or disaster. Let's say you have a physical or virtual machine that contains important applications and data. Using our local DSVDR feature, you can back it up to a local virtual copy on a frequent basis. If the original machine fails, just turn on the virtual copy to continue your operations. With our remote DSVDR feature, you can configure your backup job so that a copy of your virtual machines is live and operational after every backup job takes place. If a disaster occurs at the primary site, you can fail over to this spare copy until the original one is back in operation. As we can see, our backup service enables you to resume operations quickly in the event of a disaster.